Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my new video. Come on guys, look at the mat, it's pink in color. Okay, first wash this animal. Yes guys, let's wash. Wow, it's black color, big elephant. Look at the color guys. The next one, home animal. As guys, this is a mama cow. Wow, it's just a cow. Look at the color, guys. Black and white mix. Wow, look at the neck, guys. It's very long. Yes, let's watch this. Yes, guys, this is a giraffe, long neck giraffe. Wow, look at the next one, guys. Yes, this is a pink in color. Let's wash after the washing. Yes, this is a cow. Wow, the next one. Back. Yes, guys, you are right. This is a back duck. Wow, fantastic. Oh, awesome duck. Wow, look at the next one, guys. Yes, this is a race bike. It's a green color race bike. Wow, fantastic look. Oh, awesome, guys. Come on, guys. Yes, it's my favorite toy. Yes, this is a horse cart. Wow, it's black man. Oh, awesome, guys. It's a look a fantastic horse. Wow. Let's washing this horse. Ooh. Wow, look at the next one. Yes, this is a home bird. Yeah, this is a rooster. Cocorco rooster. Wow, X. Yeah, this is a hammer. Yes, this is Thor hammer. Wow, look at the size, guys. Wow, it looks fantastic. Wow, it's super hammer, Thor hammer. Ooh, ho. Wow, the next one also has got wow, it's look fantastic. Oh, wow, horse, wow. The next one, yes, this is a duck, duck. Ooh, wow. Any guess, guys? Yes, let's watching this animal. Yes, this is a desert animal. Yeah, this is a camel. Wow. The next one is also a bird. Yes, this is a rooster. Wow. Come on, guys. Watching this rooster in this mud. Wow. The next animal, yes, is the forest animal. Yes, look at that size. Yes, this is a deer. Wow, it looks fantastic, awesome animal. Wow, but very shy animal. Yes, look at the neck size. Yes, you are right, guys. This is another giraffe. Oh, wow, giraffe. Wow, it's awesome. Look at the size of the neck. It's very, very, very cute. Oh, face. Very small face, yeah, but neck size very long. Oh, wow. Okay, guys, that's it. This video. See you in next video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Bye bye.